Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Did you know Glade air fresheners will fit both a Glade air freshener machine and an Air Wick? Here I have the Air Wick, but let's first, this is the Glade, which says it will fit, and it fits good. You simply just slide it in and out. That point thing is going to be pointing towards the opening. That's where the freshness comes out. You've got your switch here, 35 minutes, 18 minutes, or 9 minutes are off. So we can put it in here, and it works great. With this one, I also have a button I can press to cause it to spray. Now here's that same one. This is Glade. Here I have an Air Wick one. We open it up, grab the bottom. Now you're gonna have to put it in, that same nozzle is gonna point towards this opening. So slide, it's easier just to slide it in this way. Watch it. Now grab this. You're gonna push this onto the bottle, line these up, and turn it. And up here, I have a low, medium, and high. So let's turn it to high. And it works. That's really cool. I had no idea. And the only reason I found that out is it says on the can, also fits Air Wick Freshmatic. So Glade air fresheners will fit Air Wick. I did notice sometimes, so when I go to take this out of the Air Wick, sometimes I did have that thing stay up in there one time where I just had to grab some needle nose and grab it. But that's pretty cool. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.